Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we are going to be covering the UPPAbaby MINU. It is a lightweight travel stroller. We carry it in two different colors, Jake, which is all black, and Jordan, which is a gray fabric with a silver frame. It has a full grain leather handlebar to give it a classy appearance and provide extra grip while you're pushing it. It has a ventilated canopy with a peekaboo window as well as an extendable UPF 50+ sunshade. The MINU spacious seat holds children up to 50 pounds. Its multi-position recline allows your child to lay back for a nap, on the go, or sit upright. To recline the seat, squeeze the triggers on the buckle on the back of the seat and pull down. To pull it back up, simply pull the fabric straps on either side of the buckle. It has a spring action all-wheel suspension to make sure your baby is comfortable while riding, as well as a large, easy access basket for you to store diaper bags, groceries, or whatever you need. You can fold the MINU using just one hand and one smooth motion. Just press the foot brake and then slide the button on the handlebar to collapse it. You can even hold your baby in your other arm while you're folding the stroller. To unfold it, just unclip the lock on the side of the frame and pull up on the handlebar. The entire stroller weighs just under 15 pounds and even has a built-in shoulder strap to tote it along with you. You can purchase additional accessories like a bumper bar or snack tray, and they come with adapters that you can attach to your MINU. You can purchase additional adapters to attach the UPPAbaby Mesa and car seats from other brands like Maxi-Cosi, Nuna, and Cybex. To do this, you'll need to remove the seat. Start by taking off the canopy by pushing down on the black tabs on either side to remove the base of the frame. Higher up on the handlebar, the canopy is also attached with some black pegs, so you'll need to pull those out as well. Undo the snaps on the back of the seat and set the canopy aside. On the bottom of the seat, pull the fabric off of the plastic tabs, undo the Velcro on the back frame. On the sides of the frame, slide the fabric off using those black clips. Slide the rest of the seat fabric off of the footrest frame and set it aside. Grab your adapters. You'll attach one to each side of the stroller frame, making sure you line up the coordinating colored dots, blue and orange. Slide the adapter onto the frame and fasten the clip. Now you can slide the Mesa directly onto the adapters. You can attach other brands' car seats in a similar manner with the corresponding adapters. Overall, we love the UPPAbaby MINU. It's super lightweight, easy to fold, it doesn't take up a lot of space in your trunk, and it's just a really great stroller. Thanks for watching. To shop this stroller or any other stroller, get on to babycubby.com where anything over $25 ships for free. To shop another one of our favorite UPPAbaby strollers, check out this video. As always, like and subscribe and let us know what else you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.